Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AutoZeal. My Facebook page AutoZeal has more than 200,000 views and your love and support motivated me to start YouTube channel AutoZeal. In the series Fundamentals of Automobile, the first video is on the topic of classification of automobile. There are many ways in which an automobile can be classified. Uh, it can be classified based on purpose, on capacity, on type of fuel used, on transmission used, by number of wheels used, which side it is driven, right side, left side, based on engine location, front, rear. So, an automobile can be classified into many ways. Classification based on purpose. Based on purpose, a vehicle can be classified based on passenger vehicle or commercial vehicle. Passenger vehicle permit is used only for ferrying the passengers, whereas a commercial vehicle has a dual purpose. It can be a cargo transportation vehicle or it can be a passenger vehicle like bus. Classification based on capacity. Automobile can be classified as a heavy motor vehicle, light motor vehicle, medium motor vehicle. Heavy motor vehicles in which the capacity or the gross unladen weight of the vehicle exceeds 12,000 kilograms. Light motor vehicle. Light motor vehicle means a transport vehicle whose unladen weight does not exceed 7,500 kilograms. Medium motor vehicle. Medium motor vehicle is a category between light vehicle and heavy vehicle, which means these vehicles have categories between more than 7,500 kilograms and less than 12,000 kilograms. Vehicle classification based on class. Vehicles can be classified based on class. Class 1 is defined for motorcycles. Class 2 is for passenger cars. Class 3 is for 2 axle, 4 tire, single unit vehicles. Class 4 is for buses. Class 5 is for 2 axle, 6 tire, single unit trucks. Class 6 is for 3 axle, single unit trucks. Class 7 is for 4 or more axles, single unit trucks. Class 8 for 4 or less single trailer trucks. Class 9 5 axle, single trailer trucks. Class 10 6 or more single trailer trucks. Class 11 5 or less multi-trailer trucks. Class 12 6 axle multi-trailer trucks. Class 13 7 or more axle multi-trailer trucks. Classification based on fuel used. Vehicles can be classified on the basis of fuel used, such as petrol vehicles, diesel vehicles, CNG vehicles, electric vehicles, solar operated vehicles, hybrid vehicles. Vehicle classification based on transmission. Vehicle classification based on the transmission, it can be classified as conventional or manual transmission, semi-conventional or automated manual transmission, and automatic transmission vehicles. Classification based on number of wheels. Vehicles can be classified as two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, or maybe sometimes some vehicles may have more than 6 wheels also. Classification based on side drive, whether a vehicle is right side drive or a vehicle is left side drive. Classification based on engine location. It can be front engine, front wheel drive, front engine, rear wheel drive, rear engine, rear wheel drive, front engine all wheel drive, front engine four wheel drive. Friends, this brings to end of topic classification of automobile. Friends, if you do find this information useful, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel AutoZeal. The PDF is available on my blog AutoZeal. Link of this blog is in the description of this video. For more information pertaining to automobiles, visit my Facebook page AutoZeal. Link is available in description. Thank you.